Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the unable to load camera roll problem on Messenger. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and apps option loading. Now search for Messenger and search the Messenger. Now tap on the Messenger, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the force stops. Okay, scroll up and now click on the permission option and allow all permission. First calendar, allow. Back, second camera, allow. Okay, back. And third contacts, allow. Back. And another location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices and notifications, turn on notifications. Okay, go back and now tap on the phone, allow. Back, photos and videos, always allow all. Okay, go back, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar, search for Messenger update. See, my Messenger already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. And now tap on the open option. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.